Hi everyone, this is the second part of the Fundamental Counting Principle video where more scenarios in which the FCP is applied will be illustrated. Let's begin. We are now on example 4. A vehicle's plate number consists of 3 letters from the English alphabet followed by 3 digits. How many such plate numbers can be formed if no letter or digit repeats within the same plate number? There are 6 places or positions since the vehicle's plate number consists of 3 letters followed by 3 digits. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. So for the first position or first place, we can choose any of the 26 letters. And for the second, we can choose any of the remaining 25 letters. And for the third position, we can choose any of the 24 remaining letters. And for the 3 digits on the first position of the 3 digits, we can choose from any of the 10 digits from 0 to 9. And for the second digit, we can choose from any of the remaining 9 digits. And on the third position, we can choose any of the remaining 8 digits. Applying the fundamental counting principle, therefore, there are 11,232,000 plate numbers if no letter or digits repeats with the same plate number. In the same scenario, but this time the restriction is the 3 digits are even. There are 6 places and the even digits are 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. So there are 5 choices for each digit because repetition is allowed. And there are 26 letters choices for each letter. Multiply. Therefore, there are 2,197,000 plate numbers where 3 digits are even. Number 5. In how many ways can a president, vice president, and secretary be selected from a class of 22 male and 21 female students if the president must be a male and the vice president must be a female? There are 3 positions to be selected. The first position, which is a president, the restriction is the president must be a male. There are 22 male choices. For the vice president, which must be a female, there are 21 female choices for this position. And for the third position, the secretary, it could be either a male or a female from the remaining 21 male and 20 female students. So that is 41 choices. Multiply. Therefore, there are 18,942 possible ways to select the president, vice president, and secretary from a class of 22 male and 21 female students. Still in number 5, the restriction is All officers are male. The president can be chosen from the 22 male. For the second position, there are 21 remaining male choices. And for the last position, there are 20 remaining male choices. Multiply, therefore, there are 9,240 possible ways to select the president, vice president, and secretary if all officers are male. Example 6. How many different ways can 5 students occupy the 5 seats in the front row if the student with poor eyesight must sit in the middle seat? There are 5 positions or seats for the 5 students. Since the student with poor eyesight must occupy the middle seat, there is only one choice for this seat. And for the remaining 4 students, they can be arranged in the 4 other seats. Starting with the first one, there are 4 choices, then 3 remaining choices for the second seat, and there are 2 remaining choices for the 4th seat and 1 choice for the last seat. Multiply, therefore, there are 24 possible ways for the 5 students to occupy the 5 seats if the student with poor eyesight must sit on the middle seat. We are still in example 6, but the restriction is 3 of them refuse to sit beside each other. To solve this problem, we need to count the number of arrangements of the 5 students with no restriction and subtract the number of arrangements in which the 3 students who refuse to sit beside each other are seated together. Step 1, the unrestricted arrangements of the 5 students is 120 different ways. Step 2, compute for the number of arrangements where these 3 students must sit beside each other. 3 students, 3 seats. 3 choices for the first, 2 remaining choices for the second, and 1 choice for the third. These 3 students who must sit beside each other can be considered as a single block. Now, arrange the remaining 2 other students in this single block so there are 3 positions or 3 seats for them. 3 choices for the first, 2 for the second, and 1 remaining choice for the third seat. Multiply, there are 36 different ways. And for the last step, step 3, we can now solve for the number of arrangements where 3 students refuse to sit beside each other by subtracting step 1, the arrangements of the 5 students with no restriction, and step 2, the arrangements of the 3 students who must sit beside each other. Step 1, there are 120 unrestricted arrangements minus the result in step 2, 36 arrangements where 3 students must sit beside each other. Therefore, there are 84 different ways in which these 3 students refuse to sit beside each other. So that's it. More videos on fundamental counting principle are available in this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to learn more. Bye!